All right, so I hope you are getting it stage by stage because my interest is that you get this thing. And that's why I've decided because I know what so many business people are facing and looking at the situation and these things, digitalization is very important and it's key to businesses. That's why I've decided to do this for people because whichever any way we can help, we need to help. So please put your mind to it. And like I said, I always tell people that you can always ask questions. My videos are simple. I mean, I do them in a way that you can understand them. And if you have any question, once if you the thing is that if you don't rush yourself, if you go step by step, I assure you, you will get it. Now, we've talked about the C panel. By now, you have your customized email. Now, again, you have your WordPress installed. So what I'm going to show you in this video now is that WordPress you install, how do you open it? How do you open it? And what are the things you need to know about it inside there. So we are going there. The way to go to your WordPress that you install is simple. Just type your cPanel, your domain name again. EA project is my domain name slash excuse me WP admin. People change this, but this is the general name. This is general way. Your domain name slash WP admin. So when you type that domain name, that now slash WP admin is going to bring something like this for you. Then it will require you to put. Remember when you are creating the password, when you are creating the WordPress, I told you that it will need an admin. That the name you will remember as admin. Now, my own name for admin is EAP. And then I told you it will require now, and I told you that you will need another WordPress. Not your cPanel has its own password. Then your WordPress has its own password. So here now, this is where you will need the admin and the WordPress password. Where when you are installing that password you put there, this is where you will need it. That admin, the name you put there, this is where you drop it. Then you log in. You can say, remember me, it's your system. I always say people don't do website on the public website and on the public system. It's always good to be on your system. So, but by the time you have that, it takes you to where we call dashboard. You can see dashboard, back end. When they tell you that your website back end dashboard, this is where it is. And now you can see. Now here is where you have there are so many things. I'll just explain some of the things. By the time you start, it's like I said, step by step, you will get to know them. But I'll just tell you some important things. There are some of the things here, like this rank maths, SEO, WooCommerce. There are some of them that they will not come with it. You won't see them on your own. The reason is that I have to install them. We call them plugins. So you will hear plugins over and over. You will hear plugins over and over. When you have your WordPress, when you enter to your WordPress, you can see easy WP. You will not have all this in your own for now. When you have your WordPress like this, the first thing that we always recommend is that you go to your appearance and go to theme. Appearance and go to your theme. Now, when you now get to your theme, what you are to do is to look for, you will see plus, there is a plus sign. You now click on that plus, you now look for this font, Astra, Astra, Astra. So you will, when you look for the font, the theme Astra, you will, yes, install it. You will install it. When you install it, then you activate it. Install the theme, you activate it. Right now, it's telling me I need to update all this, all of them. They have the new version. I need to update them, although they are auto update, but because I'm there, I can easily do them. I already set my plugins to auto update. Um, for the new format, will explain that better. There are some of the, so there are some of the plugins that don't need update, but there are some that you do that. So I'm doing this because if I dare, I don't need all these other theme, because I've bought, because I've used them before. If I choose not to upgrade them, if I delete them, they may affect the operation of my system, of my website. So it's better I just let them, I just keep updating them, and so that let all live. Then I want my plugins. It means I'm having 4 plugins that need to be updated as well. So it's just go to installed plugin, because we always install, you always need to install new plugin. Like I said, you can see my plugin are already on auto. So if on their own, if I don't do it today, like maybe 2 3 days, disable auto. So if I, that's if I disable, they are auto enable already. Auto update enable, you can see. So on their own, they can always, if I don't do it, because I already put it on auto update. So, and all some of this plugin we are going to talk about, uh, some of them we will talk about, so that you know their functions, and even if I don't use some of them, but the ones we use, I'm going to explain about them. But like, that's why we're having 10 videos, because it's good to get them stage by stage. Okay. So, you, now you have the plugin. So you know that the theme you install, and some other things we're going to do will will uh will sometimes the theme you use and the template you use is going to tell you the type of plugins you will need. And you can see again that it's telling me that WordPress is available. Please update. If I don't update, it's actually going to do auto update as well. It's because I'm coming there today and maybe just now, so at least I can easily do that. Now, I think I've done the major thing. Uh, so now this is the picture about your WordPress. This is a picture about, I've just updated my WordPress. That's what you are trying to see. Updating WordPress. Fine, 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 fine. So always need to do that. So from WordPress now, once you have done that, the next thing we will be doing now is, when we come back, I'm going to talk to you about the template that you have. That template, and how do you use that template. I'm going to do the preview of the template with you. Then we now see how we bring the template to WordPress to use. So that is what we'll be having next. What we have next is the review around the template. I'm going to, while you still have it, from where different things, we look at that. Then we'll now start designing our website. I hope you are enjoying yourself. See you in the next class.